Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing one of my first ever hairstyle videos. Everyone has experienced that awkward stage in their hair growth journey. As you know, I'm in my 6th month, I'm actually in my 7th month of hair growth, and it usually lasts about 5 to 6 months, so I'm kind of coming out of it now, because I'm getting to the point where I can actually almost put all my hair up. Obviously some strands are falling out when I do put my hair up, but they just need to grow a little bit longer and then I can put all my hair up and then I won't have any problems because I won't have to think of hairstyles to do in the morning. I can put it all up. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of hairstyles that you could do if you are in the awkward stage. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. That is all the hairstyles I'm going to be showing you today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my first ever hairstyle related video. I'm really excited for this channel. This channel is going to be amazing with all my hair related things. And yeah, I'm just excited for all the hair videos that are... rude. I'm just so excited for all the hair videos that are going to be coming on this channel. I'm going to obviously do a hair update eventually. It's coming up to a year. I think... no, the next one's going to be 9 months, a hair update, and then it's going to be a year. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe and share it with your friends and family and your animals. Like, your animals definitely want to see this. But yes, I shall see you guys for another video very soon. Bye!